My name is Andrew Alonso, and I am with the Effective Energy Management of Residential Level HVAC Systems team for an energy management grad course project. Summary of our project: basically we're going to integrate a thermoelectric generator onto a residential cooling unit, and we're going to recover heat that is normally wasted and use it to produce electricity to power small appliances at home. These energies include the waste heat that is just wasted from the condenser and it's not used for anything. And we're also going to take advantage of the fact that compressors, there's a temperature gradient throughout the compressor of the surface of the compressor. So we're going to use that along with the thermoelectric generator to get usable energy. And basically the way we're going to do this is that we're going to calculate cooling load for different scenarios, whether it be different lightings, also the solar radiation, a number of people in the room, just other factors. We're going to calculate the cooling load for different scenarios. And with that information, we're going to calculate the surface temperature of the compressor. Once we calculate the surface temperature of the compressor, then we can do some more research and calculate how much energy is actually produced through the thermoelectric generator, which is caused by the temperature gradient. And with that, we can calculate the savings, the energy savings, maybe even also the money savings. And that is the theoretical approach. That's what's theoretically going to happen. Ideally, we would also like to do a practical approach and actually gather some thermoelectric generators and some compressors and simulate it using a hot plate to simulate the surface temperature of the compressor. And then using that, we want to actually use actual thermoelectric generators to get an actual idea of how much actual energy will be produced from that, or electricity. That involves speaking with faculty, so if that doesn't work, we will have to stick with the theoretical approach, but that is our project.